What's going on, guys? Pictures by Schoolboy here, and welcome back to another video. And as you can tell from the title of today's video is a day in the life of a portrait photographer. So without wasting much time, let's get right into it. Anytime I have a photo shoot, I try and wake up early, not too early, but I try and wake up around 8 a.m. in the morning, and that's when everything begins. So right from waking up, I check my phone to reply a couple messages, and I also check my emails to see if I have any new emails or any emails I have to reply to, and I also check on my Fiverr to see if I have some gigs or some jobs available for me to do. So that's basically what I do early in the morning. So in case you guys didn't know, I have a Fiverr now, and I render retouching services, mostly portrait and high-end beauty retouching services on there. So if you want to support me, or if you like how I retouch my images, you might as well, head down in the description box below, click on the link to my Fiverr, and make sure you book me for a retouching services. All right, so right from that, the next thing that I do is to start with my morning routine. So I basically brush my teeth, and right after brushing my teeth, the next thing I do before I take my bath is to take a little look at my camera bag and the equipment that I'm going to use for that photo shoot. I have a couple lenses, about 3 lenses, so I don't usually take all those lenses on the shoot, but anytime I have a shoot, I know which kind of shoot that I'm going to do, and I know what lenses are suitable for the kind of images I'm going to be creating that day. So I check my bag, make sure everything is intact, make sure all my batteries are charged, I have my triggers on me, I have my SD cards, everything is intact. So right after checking all my gear and making sure everything is well prepped and intact for the photo shoot, I go ahead and take a shower and get ready for the photo shoot. Now the outfit that I always wear depends on the kind of work that I'm going to do. So if it's a wedding that I'm shooting, or it's an event, I have to put on some nice clothes, probably some sneakers or something like that, and I head on. But if it's not an event and it's a normal birthday photo shoot or anything like that, I just find a normal outfit and I head on with the photo shoot. So guys, I just finished dressing up and I'm about to head to town to meet the client. She just called me and I'm about to meet her. Before I go, I have to let you guys know that I'm not doing this photo shoot in my studio, in my home studio. If you've been watching my previous videos, you realize I currently built a home studio setup not long ago. But the reason I'm not shooting in my studio today is because of my main light. My main light isn't working anymore. The Godox SK400 that I was using isn't working anymore. I'm having some issues with it. So that is the reason why I'm shooting in a different studio today. So I had to rent out a studio just to get a job done for the client, and that is the reason why I'm not shooting in my studio today. So if it wasn't for the light or the issues that I'm having with the light, I would have been doing the shoot right in my studio from the comfort of my home. So I just wanted to get out of the way before I head on and meet the client. So I'm just going to wrap up and get going really fast. I think she's still waiting for me in town. You don't want to keep your client waiting, so let's get right into that.
Everywhere we go, we just spot out. Yeah. Anywhere we go, yeah, G-A-D. Girl, if them on my, you they ginger me, African girl with a small body. You give me Afro vibes. Dance to my tune and wine. Shorty will go see me nice. One will go run my life. You give me Afro vibes. Girl, it where they run my mind. Girl, it where they run my mind. Dance to my tune and wine.
So for this photo shoot, it was a 3-light setup, and as you can see, the main light was the Godox AD600BM, and the fill light, I think the fill light was the SK400, the Godox SK400 Mark II, and the rim light too was also a Godox SK400, or I think a 300 Mark II, something like that. So it was a 3-light setup for this photo shoot. And oh, if you would like to see a behind the scenes of this entire photo shoot, I recorded some extra footage during this photo shoot. So if you like to see a behind the scenes, let me know down in the comment section below.
Nobody way too fine. I just wanna make you mine. You deserve to be my wife. I never take you for a joke. See the way you want it from below. I just like it when you take it slow. Oh, baby, make me take it slow. You give me Afro vibes. Dance to my tune and wine. Shorty will go see me nice. One will go run my life. You give me Afro vibes. Girl, it where they run my mind. Girl, it where they run my mind. Dance to my tune and wine. Nobody way too fine. I just wanna make you mine. You deserve to be my wife. I never take you for a joke. See the way you want it from below. I just like it when you take it slow. Oh, baby, make me take it slow. You give me Afro vibes. Dance to my tune and wine. Shorty will go see me nice. One will go run my life. You give me Afro vibes. Girl, it where they run my mind. Girl, it where they run my mind. Dance to my tune and wine. Nobody way too fine. I just wanna make you mine.
So that will be the end of today's video, guys. This year I'm trying to do a little bit of everything. I'm trying to bring some changes into the content that I'll be uploading. So if this is something that you would like to see more often, make sure you let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace out.
Girl, it where they run my mind. Girl, it where they run my mind. Dance to my tune and wine.